Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer power steering problem and the potential problems associated with it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Power steering problems in the Ford Explorer are commonly described as heavy or stiff steering, intermittent loss of assist, warning messages related to steering, or unusual noises when turning the wheel. Verified owner complaints, service information, and repair data show that power steering concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with differences depending on whether the vehicle uses hydraulic or electric power-assisted steering and overall vehicle condition. One verified and frequently reported cause involves electric power-assisted steering system concerns in models equipped with EPAS. Issues such as steering control module faults or motor-related problems have been documented in certain model years and can result in sudden loss of steering assist or increased steering effort. Another confirmed cause in some Explorer versions is related to wiring or electrical connections within the steering system. Poor connections or electrical interruptions may affect steering assist performance and can cause intermittent symptoms that vary while driving. In models equipped with hydraulic power steering, fluid-related issues have been reported. Low or degraded power steering fluid due to leaks or lack of maintenance can reduce steering assist and increase steering effort. Pump wear over time has also been documented as a contributing factor in higher mileage vehicles. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include steering rack wear, sensor calibration issues, or software-related behavior in newer models. These are considered possibilities and should be confirmed through proper diagnostic procedures rather than assumed. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include scanning for steering-related fault codes, inspecting electrical connections, checking power steering fluid condition where applicable, updating software when recommended, and replacing faulty steering components once confirmed. Repairs vary based on system type and diagnosis. Owner feedback trends indicate that some Ford Explorer power steering issues appear suddenly and improve after repair or recalibration, while others develop gradually due to wear. Experiences differ widely by model year, steering system design, and maintenance history. In conclusion, Ford Explorer power steering problems can stem from electric system faults, fluid-related concerns, or component wear. The exact cause varies by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.